Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna make an experiment that I think many of you have seen before when you have a glass of Coca Cola and you pour some milk into it. But what will happen if you do the other way around? We have a glass of milk and we pour some Coca Cola into it. So we're gonna do a boost experiment and we're gonna see what's happening. Will there be any difference? Will something happen with the milk at all? I don't know. So we have done some preparation and pour some milk into the Coca Cola and some Coca Cola into the milk. And we just wait and see. After 30 minutes we start to see a reaction in the glass of Coca Cola. The milk we see nothing at all. After 1 hour, the top parts get transparent of the Coca Cola, and lower parts something happens. And it's actually the phosphoric acid that reacts with the milk, making it coagulate, and it falls to the bottom. And after 24 hours it looked like this. And the milk, nothing happened at all, so well. And if I check here, it looks absolutely disgusting. But I want to check the milk as well, because I was hoping for some kind of reaction. Gonna check in the bottom. Nothing at all. And no exciting experiment on the left side, and something interesting happened with the Coca Cola. Kind of expected, but yeah, interesting. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. I hope to see you all next week and have a nice weekend. Take care everyone.